Hi, Dr. Rob Davison again. I'd like to show you some very basic neck exercises and stretches that we give to most patients in the office here that we think help to increase your range of motion and does help to decrease the pain and the stiffness that some of our patients feel. What I want to caution you against is a stretch that we see a lot of in, say, a yoga class or Pilates or an aerobics class. And what that stretch looks like is this. So when you rotate your neck all the way around the axis of your spine in either direction, you're actually causing some wear and tear along the edges of the vertebrae and at the disc level themselves. So we'd rather you not do this type of stretch. We'd rather you do a stretch that breaks all of that circular motion up into 6 different directions. And that would look like this. You have basic flexion, chin to your chest, and then extension, looking toward the ceiling, and then lateral flexion, where you tilt your ear toward your shoulder in both directions, and then rotation, where you turn your chin towards your shoulder. You should try to do that very slowly and very easily. Don't force anything, and go 5 times into each direction. The second stretch that I like to show you for your neck is a little more complicated and a little more challenging, and you might want to consult with me before you try this one. I'm going to turn my back to you, so I apologize. So we're first going to take an arm, my right arm in this case, rest it on my small of my back here, and grab it with my shoulder, my hand to the other side. I've created a wing, if you will, on this left side, but now I want to stretch the right side of my neck. So to do that, the first position here is I tilt my ear straight down to my shoulder, and you hold for a count of 3, and you come back to neutral. Then I'm going to look towards that shoulder here, and I'm going to look down. I'm stretching more of the back part of my neck. I'm going to come back to neutral, and now I'm going to look up. I'm going to stretch back. That stretches the front part of the neck. So I'm going to turn around, and I'll show you what that looks like from the front. So in neutral, you go ear to shoulder, stretching there, come back to neutral, turn towards this shoulder, and stretch down. That stretches along the back of the spine and neck. Come back to neutral, and you turn up, and you tilt back, and that stretches the front side of my neck. Now once again, you'll always want to do that on both sides. So I'll bring my left arm out, grab it with my right arm here, and I'd repeat the same thing in each direction for that side of my neck. Thank you.